Hello, friends. Tanya here, and welcome to day one of the 2025 Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. Let's take a peek at what's behind door number one. Who is loving the graphics on the Advent calendar this month? I love this beautiful folk art imagery all over this panel. So we're going to open this up, and as always, you can see a picture of what the product is on the back of the door. We have an adorable little dog laying on his back with a sentiment that says, I woof you. Here are the dies laid out for you to see. And I am going to store mine with that cute little door so I have an image of what it's supposed to look like. For assembly, I added a little bit of black alcohol marker behind the spot where the mouth is going to be. So I adhered the ears to the back of the head. This cute little nose fits right in the embossed area for that. And I'll give you a little close-up of the embossed lines on all the spots on our cute little dog. There is a collar you can put on him. Here is a spot that would go over his rump and part of his tail. You don't have to use the spots. You could just use the body element, the nose element, the ears, and the cute little paws. You could even skip the collar. There are some cute little spots that you can add to him in a contrasting color. Whoops, these are the paws, the front paws. And these spots are really quite tiny. So the biggest danger is that you might lose one of these little spots. That's okay. Remember, dogs come in all kinds of spotted varieties and unspotted varieties. Once I have that second spot adhered, we're going to adhere his cute little collar. And that will complete our adorable little dog. We also have the sentiments in that beautiful little scripty font of I woof you. I'm going to take a heart from the Hero Arts Infinity Dies Hearts version. And I die cut this red heart twice because I wanted a little extra heft and dimension here. So I'll adhere those together. And then I'm going to glue the sentiment, I woof you, to the right side of the heart. I'll start with the letter I. I'm having a little troubles picking that up. I need my little picker-upper tool. Use my reverse tweezers here to help adhere those to the heart. And I'm not being too picky about placement. I'm just slapping these down, trusting that they will fit perfectly and look delightful. I think this is so cute. I am a dog lover myself, and I was kind of excited to see this cute little puppy that I can add to a card. Now, he could be saying all kinds of things, but I thought it would be fun to use the sentiment that comes in today's die set. I love that the Advent calendar products work year-round. They are not Christmas themed, and so you can use them all year round. And it's a fun little gift for you or any of your crafty friends. We're going to use the Unlock My Heart 3D embossing folder from December 2025. This is available if you aren't a club subscriber. It'll be available on December 6th. We also have the Pearl Luster embossing or gilding polish here, and I'm going to add that to help that design stand out very nicely. Now, this is a 4 5/8 by 3 1/4 inch piece of cardstock because we're going to make a 4-bar card here. I'm also taking a sentiment from the better press of the month, I'd Pick You. This sentiment is going to go on the inside of the card. This little heart is from the Unwind Caboodle Extra for December, and it is supposed to be for the little eye mask, but it makes a really cute little heart. So we're going to use that. You can use whatever hearts you have from your stash. I'll adhere that to the heavyweight white cardstock base that I cut to 4 7/8 by 3 1/2 inches. That is a 4-bar card. We'll add our cute little doggy heart to the front. And then we'll add our sentiment to the inside. We're going to just add that little heart right above the sentiment. I'll adhere the sentiment first and then add the heart after I've gotten everything placed the way I like it. And that completes the project for today, which is day 1 of the Crafty Advent calendar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe, check the description box below for a link to all of the products, and I'd love to hear from you and hear what you have to say about today's project. Until tomorrow, here are a couple more videos I thought you might enjoy. Bye-bye.